So in this video we are going to see how to create a Chrome extension. Basically we'll create a simple hello world Chrome extension. For that, as you can see on the screen, all we require is three files. One is manifest.json, which contains some of the details about our extension that we are going to create. The popup.html will contain actual HTML content that will be displayed when we click on the icon for our extension. And icon.png is actually the icon that we are going to click on. So basically, if we start looking at popup.html, we will see all we have is basic HTML with a header with hi and an input box with type text. And on clicking the icon for our extension, we'll just display this small HTML to the user, or the output of this HTML to the user. Another file is manifest.json, and as you can see here, it's a JSON file and all it contains is manifest version, and let's just say it's 2. Then we have name of our extension, and let's call it hello world. Then we have the description, then we have the version, and the browser extension is basically the properties of our extension, and the default icon is icon.png. So this is the icon that will show up in the browser, and when the user clicks on the browser, the popup.html content will show up. So that's why we have default popup as popup.html, because that is what it will show up when the user clicks on icon.png. And the third file is icon.png in our folder. So basically I have a simple folder called Chrome under extensions, and inside that I have these three files. Now let's load our extension that we created into Chrome. So open Google Chrome and type in this in your Google Chrome. So you will see the list of extensions available, and make sure you have enabled developer mode over here. By default it may be off. And now let's click on load unpacked extension. So once I click on load unpack extension, so now click on load unpacked extension, and then browse to the folder where your files for the extension are located. So for instance, mine are located in Chrome underscore extension, and I'll click OK over here. And that is it, our extension has been loaded. And as you can see over here, this is what the icon that I had picked. Now if I click on the icon, it will show the HTML that we had written in a few seconds back. So this is basically Chrome loading our extension, and this is just a hello world of how to create an extension in Chrome.